Okay. Well, when you talk about open concept, this is it.
From the minute you walk in.
Yeah, front to back, it's one open flow.
And, you know, I love the addition of the bay windows.
Yeah.
You get the vibe and the energy of K Street.
Yes, you see it all happening.
Yeah, but what a rarity to have a beautiful little garden you can look at, too.
The garden is such a plus.
It is.
And we both love the garden.
We do.
So.
And, you know, having the kitchen in the middle, this really gives you the flexibility. You can make that the dining room. You can make this the living space.
So why is it that I always seem to be on this side of the counter and you're always on that side of the counter?
I'm just more comfortable over here.
Yeah, being served. Well, it's great because I can serve you and then you can do the dishes. See,
oh,
right
lovely.
From there.
Oh, well, I would do them because you know I love the undermounts thing.
I know you love those.
It does make it a little easier, but I also love that there's a dishwasher too.
And this is a nice, wide open flow space.
It is. It just flows right through.
Right into the living room.
Oh, and I love the bay window here too. That is a great little hidden space. Really nice open concept.
It is.
Great, great remodel.
And then you're like, oh my gosh, look at this staircase.
Oh, I
Kinda
do
grand.
like this.
Yeah, they're cool.
I love these steps because the design is to look like when craftsmen would originally take a plank and try to smooth it out with a hand planer.
I love the
So
texture.
you have, it's a little bit uneven.
It's a little rustic.
Exactly, and it works so well in this space because you don't feel like you're heading down to a basement.
No, and look at the height of the ceilings down here. They're just as tall as upstairs.
These are
This is not a
really
basement.
tall.
This
No.
is a lower level. And the window is fantastic to let a little natural light in.
But it's a huge window,
It's huge.
so you don't have that basement feel. Even the closet doors have, you know, you open it up and it's like,
Two big
whoa.
closets.
That is so key.
So here's the ensuite
Oh,
bathroom.
it's nice.
Yeah, nice and big.
Very nice. Nice double vanity.
Yes.
I love this whole tub shower setup.
And I love these recessed soap holders.
I don't have one. I'm always envious because my shower bottles just sit in the tub and just make a ring.
That's sad.
I know. But on the other hand, I could have soap on a robe.
Oh, I remember soap on the
Remember
road. Yeah. So how about this huge hallway, too?
Yeah, again, tall ceilings. Another nice sized bathroom.
Oh, I love the marble tile on this one.
Yeah, I do too.
Super
I do
sharp.
Too.
Marble vanity. And the second bedroom. So another big space.
It is. You can have a queen, even a king.
Another window.
Another window,
And a door to
that's
the
nice.
outside. All right. Somebody's feeling like a winner, and that's this guy.
John's looking confident.
Okay, great house.
Okay.
It's big.
It is. And you know, what I loved is the minute you walk through the door, it's that whole open concept.
I almost like the lower level better than the upper level. So what else should we know about this house?
So the walk score here is actually a 96, and that's because of the density of transportation options. You got bike lanes, scooter, and the H Street streetcar. It's just a few blocks down as well.
How about the yard? Is this all part of it?
This is, so in a 2-unit building, the owners get to share usage of this space.
And you have the side yard, and you have parking. Anything else we should know?
Condo fee. on
Yes.
this one. So
Yes,
relative
that's
to some of the other ones in the city, this is a really low condo fee at only $264 a month. Okay, so I want to recap, okay? This one, 2 bedrooms, 2 baths, just under 1,400 square feet. Everything new as of 2015, higher ceilings, all the big windows on this level, and tons of natural light. So slightly better location in terms of amenities nearby.
Okay.
Okay, I'm ready to guess.
Oh, thank you. Thank you.
Okay, I'm going to make a guess of 850,000.
850,000.
850.
Okay.
Feel good about that?
I feel great about that. I feel good about myself, Harrison. I'm
As you-
confident.
As you should.
It's a great location. Love the unit, but I think you are a little high.
Okay, friend.
All right. I am going to say, so you said 850.
850. Sticking with it. Final answer.
You know, I am going to go 810,000.
Okay.
Okay.
A little more conservative. The actual listing price of 301 K Street Northeast, unit number 1, is $775,000.
We both went
Okay,
over.
But you got to remember here, we're still looking at condos instead of single family. So I think your math would have been right on point if we were at single family.
Okay.
But this is, as crazy as it sounds, $775 is a more accessible entry point to get this
Sure
much
it
space
is.
in the neighborhood.